राधे राधे जय श्री निषदेव भगवान की जय हो. So we are here in Prachin Nursing Mandir. Prachin means ancient, no? So it's a very old mandir here in Nandagaon. Actually, in the book of Bhaktivinoda Thakur, this mandir was mentioned. So this one of the first mandir built here in Nandagaon. It survives the invasion of the Aurangzeb during those years. So this deity, you can see there are some murtis in the main altar. That is Barahadev Ji. On the far left is Barahadev Ji, and besides Barahadev Ji is the Sadbhuja Mahaprabhu, six-armed form of Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. And on the middle is the main murti of Sri Nrsingadev. And besides Nrsingadev is Gaur Nitai. And between Gaur Nitai there is one special murti of Sri Jagannath Ji. It's a very old murti of Jagannath. So this Nrsingadev and Barahadev murti was worshipped. Just remember this. It was worshipped by Nanda Maharaj, the father of Sri Krishna Ji. Just imagine that. Because Krishna, he was always being disturbed and attacked, and the Braj is always being bothered by so many demons. That's why they shifted here in Nandagaon, because Krishna is always being attacked by demons in Vrindavan. So, in order to protect Krishna, imagine the Supreme Protector, Krishna. They wanted to protect the Supreme Protector. So this is the bhag of Nanda Maharaj and Mother Yashoda. They were not thinking that Krishna is the Bhagavan, the Supreme God. For them, Krishna is their child. They are his parents. Nanda Maharaj was his father, and Yashoda Maya was his mother. So their duty is to protect their child, their son. That's why Sri Nanda Maharaj, Nanda Baba, started to worship Nrsingadev. And he prays to Nrsingadev for Krishna's protection. Wow. So this is an ancient murti of Nrsingadev. More than 5,000 years old, and it's still here being worshipped. And it is said that this Nrsingadev murti was carved from a single salagram shila. So it was made from salagram shila. Wow. And on the bottom, on the first level of the altar, there are some shalagram shilas also. And the pujari once shared me the story that one of the shalagram shilas, like a small shalagram shila, like a marble, the size of a marble. So one time, Nanda Maharaj, actually this shalagram shilas, some of the shalagram shilas belong to Nanda Maharaj. So one time he was doing his daily abhishek of shalagram shila. And he noticed one shalagram shila was missing. So when in Braj, when something is missing, boom, whom you gonna find it? To whom you gonna blame it? Of course, no other than the chief of all thieves, the makanchor, the butter thief. So you have to consult, investigate. So Nanda Maharaj, he approached Krishna about the whereabouts of the Shalagram Shila. And Krishna couldn't talk like that. He just saying like that. So Nanda Maharaj realized that Krishna took it. So he asked Krishna Ji to open his mouth. And when Krishna Ji opened his mouth, he spat out that small Shalagram Shila. And Nanda Maharaj asked Krishna Ji why did he try to swallow that Shalagram Shila. Krishna Ji thought that it was sweet. So he thought it was a ladu. Oh Krishna. So that's why he's trying to swallow it. So just spat it out. So that's Shalagram Shila, it is like a Mahaprasad, no? It is like already inside Krishna's mouth and it's out. So that the Pujari showed it to me. Actually, during our Bhakti art, I have a photograph of it. No, I included it in our exhibit. No, maybe some of you remember about this photo of that Shalagram Shila. So special. So, Radhe Radhe. So we have a Pujari here from Bengal. And he is doing puja for more than 50 years now. And he's doing it alone. Before this mandir is just a small hut. And now they build still a very simple mandir. And he's doing abhishek, arranging everything, offering bhog, maintaining this altar for 50 years. And he's not getting any salary. It's all pure seva, pure bhakti. This is the difference. This is totally big difference. You can only find it here in Braj. Pujaris are serving the deities not out of duty, not because of salary, but because of pure love, only bhakti. Sorry to say, but that is the reality. That's a real talk. That most of us are paid brahmanas. No? We are only doing puja because we are being paid, or it is because of out of duty, because the authorities said so. But can you do puja even for 1 year without being paid? So what to speak of 50 years? Wow! So these are all very special devotees. That's why Brajavasis are really special. They are not ordinary people. Their bhav, their seva, their attitude is completely different from our seva. We are ill-motivated, we have some hidden agenda, our intention in serving Krishna or coming to Krishna consciousness is tainted by different material desires. So, here in Braj, we can gain inspiration from them. Hopefully one day we would able to also follow their footsteps or try to serve them, and hopefully we will come to that point where we will serve Krishna without any material intentions. Okay, so you are having darshan of Sri Singadev, Sri Brahaji, Sadbhuja Mahaprabhu, Sri Dhornitai, Sri Giraji is also here, Sri Jagannath Ji is also here, and Sri Shalagram Bhagavan. Jai Sri Singadev Bhagavan ki jai ho, jai ho.
भीषणं भद्रम्